Hi guys, in this video we'll learn about how to extract the single piece of data from the PDF document. This is the what we have to know in this video. For that, now I am creating sequence, air sequence, add activity by which activity we can get text. For that, for getting the text, we have to use get text activity. This activity will be available in UA automation, right? I'm adding. Now open the PDF file. Actually, for this process, PDF files are the inputs, right? For that, already I have two invoices. The first one is 3A, second one is 3B. I am going to open these invoices. Already I have opened 3A. Now I have to indicate that element on screen, right? So by clicking indicate on screen, we will select. See, I would like to extract the this piece of total amount, this piece of data I have to extract and displaying in output, right? So for that I am going to select this. If you want to rename this activity name, we can do. Here we are getting the total amount, right? So for that, get total amount. Okay. After retrieving, after extracting the data, we have to store that add data in a variable, right? For that, I am creating a one variable. Variable name is total amount. By default, a variable type should would be in string format, right? So I'm keeping as string here. I'm adding that variable here. Total amount. Okay. I would like to display the total amount in message box, right? For that, I'm adding message box and giving the variable name which variable I would like to display in the output. That name is total amount. So given that variable here. As of now, there is no any errors appear. So let's start. Let's run this process. See, as expected, we got the output right here. The total and the amount value here. It is displaying in message box, right? Okay. Now I would like to run same process for this document. Now run file. See, it is throwing in an error. The source is total amount. Get total amount. The message is could not find the UI element corresponding to this selector. Here the problem is about selectors. For that we have to modify the selector types. For that, I'm opening UI Explorer. Select element, this element, right? So click on that. Now see how many nodes checked here. 3 nodes checked. Here the title as the title is invoice dash 3b PDF, right? For that, to make dynamic, we need to change this one. For that, I'm going to use wildcards, that is star or question mark. And here for coming to the total amount, here also we need to make change as total as star. Let's validate and save. Here I am making the selector type as dynamic because we have to read multiple invoices, right? For that, we have to make the selectors as dynamic. If is not dynamic, the output, I mean, if you run multiple PDF documents, it will not shows uh, output as expected. For that, we are making dynamic. Now I am going to run the file. See, now we are in invoice 3B document. So as expected, we got output, right? Again, I would like to run this one by opening 3A invoice. See, as expected, we achieved output, right? Uh, before doing the selectors as dynamic, we are unable to read the another file, I mean 3B file, right? After making the selector as dynamic, we are able to read the read means we are able to extract the data from the both, I mean all invoice PDF files, right? This is the expected output here. Thank you for watching this video.